Today we are doing a Nifty analysis. In the last analysis, we had discussed that this is the hourly chart, and we had discussed that after we will get a corrective structure, and then there is a possibility of one more push-up that will break this top. And if you see exactly this like this, the market behaved. We got a corrective structure on the hourly chart, and then again one more push-up that broke this top. So this analysis is exactly true now. So now let us see what are the other possibilities that can happen. So let me clear this. And now since this top is again broken to the upside, now we can connect these two trend lines. So this is the current trend line, and at the top, if you see, this is near the upward resistance of this area. And if you monitor the MACD of each waves, this is one wave up, this is one wave up, and this is one wave up. So on this way, there is a continuous divergence on the chart. So first thing is that if it can correct, and now on an intraday basis, to we need to go to a lower chart. So before this, our analysis was from this, on the hourly chart we will get a corrective structure and then one more push up. So how can we actually enter these setups? And because view as per Elliot is down and up, so how can we trade? So on a 5-minute chart, you can see this was a last lower low, this was the last lower high. So if you see this, the price action at this moment, as soon as price broke this low, it means now this is the first low, and it means trend has changed. So after this, you can see there was a corrective structure, this was an impulsive structure, and then a corrective structure. So this was a time to enter short, and again it broke this. After this, you can see again it went up, and this was again a new this was a lower high, and again it broke. So at this moment, now this is the how you enter these sell setups. Now at this moment, you can see when price again broke this on the upside, so it means now trend has again changed, because now price is making a higher high. So at this moment again, you should look for buying opportunities, and you can see now this is again making higher highs and higher lows. So this is the definition of uptrend. So as per our view was down, so we could enter as per this strategy. And now since our view is after corrective structure, one more push up, so we can again enter as soon as we get a higher high on the 5-minute chart. So this is how you trail. Now looking at this structure, now if you see where is the last point. So if you see this, so this is the last point. So now from this trend line it is taking resistance, and it broke this last low, so it means we can again look for selling structure if we get a corrective structure here. After this, it broke this top, and we again get a corrective structure, then we can plan more lower side on this. However, if either other possibilities, if we get break on the upside, we will ignore as of now. If we get a break of this and again fast move that will go up, we will again ignore this. Mandatory thing is that after break of this structure, we should get a corrective pattern like this. I mean, it will look exactly or similar, not exactly, but it would look something like this pattern. Let me show how. So this type of structure, if we get after this, then that is your entry. So that is the time to enter. However, if you get a fast move again to the upside, then that is not your entry. So I hope this is understandable. And if you have any questions, you can post them as a comment. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe and share among friends.